Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to set up Zendesk social messaging. So guys, the first thing that you actually need to do is go to zendesk.com and you'll be greeted by their website, of course. Then you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Zendesk. But guys, if of course you do not maybe know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where you have plenty of how to Zendesk videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the Zendesk main page where we have some options. So we first of all have to get started by creating our account, the ticketing system, agent productivity, messaging and live chat, the help center and reporting and analytics, etc, etc. Also, we have the everything about tickets here. So here you have your unsolved tickets, your pending tickets, and some more options you can see. You can also go and click on one ticket to edit it, merge it, mark it as spam, or delete it if you want. In the top right corner, you can see that you have your everything about your profile. So you have product updates, get help, support help center, keyboard shortcuts, you have give feedback, about privacy settings, and at the end, of course, the logout option. Now, also on the left side, you can see that we have some more things there. So here you can see that we have customers where you can go and edit everything about your customers. So you can add customers, you can add their names, mails, and all of those things. But now guys, let's see how you can actually set up Zendesk social messaging. So first of all, you need to go to the admin page, which is of course here, and then you need to click channels in the sidebar. Then you have to select messaging and social messaging. So basically a widget named Zendesk is created by default and appears in the channel list. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.